Hello and welcome back. In today's lesson, we will cover the image tag, which is used to display an image on our website. This element only has an opening tag and there is no need for an end tag. You, however, have to specify two attributes. One of the attributes is the source, which is spelled src. As its value, you have to specify the path to the image or the URL. For the project I'm working on, I have a directory which includes the index.html file that I'm currently editing. It also has an image folder which contains a kitten.jpg and a puppy.jpg. I want to display the puppy image, so I'm specifying the path as image/puppy.jpg. The other attribute that you have to specify is the alternative text, spelled ALT. This is used to give a description to the image and is very important. For example, if the image does not load for whatever reason, the alternative text gets displayed. It's also important for accessibility, as screen readers read out the alternative text to people who cannot see the image. Finally, it also gives context to search engines who can better index the image appropriately with the help of alternative text. As the alternative text needs to be descriptive, I will just say it's a cute image of a puppy. If I save this and load the page, you can see that the image of the puppy is displayed. Another attribute that I want to show you is the width, which lets you resize the image. First, I will break up the image tag into separate lines so that it's better visible for you. Then I will say the width should be 300, which stands for 300 pixels. If I refresh the page, you can now see that the image is smaller and its width is 300 pixels. The last tag that I want to show you today is called loading. It is a newer addition, but is supported in many modern browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Opera. It is a very useful tag and it helps you with site speed. So for users, it is important that the website loads as quickly as possible. If they have to wait for a long time, they will most likely not stay around and instead go to a different page. Loading can have different values, and the one that is very useful is called lazy. If you set an image to loading lazy, it means that if it's not visible on the screen when the page loads, it will not be loaded immediately. It will only get loaded if the user scrolls down and gets closer to the image. As a result, users can see your website quicker and they can interact with it quicker. The other values you can specify are auto. If you set loading to auto, it basically defaults to the browser's behavior and it's like you wouldn't even specify it. The other one is eager. If you set loading to eager, it tells the browser to load the image immediately, no matter where it's located. And the final thing I want to show you today is that you can use images as links. I will copy paste the image tag and then I will add an A tag, and inside of the A tag, instead of specifying text, I will just paste the image tag. I will indent this so it looks better, and then as the URL of the link tag, I will just specify Google. If I save this and reload the page, you can see that the cursor is now a pointer, which indicates that you can click on the image, and if you click on the image, it loads the Google homepage. This is everything I wanted to show you in today's lesson. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I'll try to answer. If you like this video, please subscribe. See you in the next video.